me show you what's going on with your forecast here. Live look outside. Lorenz and Lorenz 360 camera showing a couple little puffy clouds out there, but in general, mainly clear sky. Look at the warm up. Man, that is big. 15 to 25 degrees warmer this morning compared to yesterday morning. It is a noticeable change. We've got most of the area in the 50s this morning with an increase in humidity. That I think you'll notice too. Dew points have recovered to the 50s for much of the area. The exception as you work west, you're going to find some drier air in the hill country, which is important. We'll get to that in just a second. But the driest air is still back out towards that western state line. That dry line, which sloshes back and forth this time of year and more so into spring, it's going to be moving closer to us and parks on top of us today. It's going to be a difference maker for the temperatures. You'll notice Austin, we're fine. Upper 70s to upper 80s. Forecast high of 88. Likely to be the warmest we've been all year. But look at the high temperatures out west. Here's the dry line. Here's where expected to be this afternoon. Drier air out towards the west. Just a couple of degrees hotter because of the drier air. It allows the temperatures to tick up a little more quickly. So that's why we're talking 90s out in the hill country. But everywhere you look, it's going to be warm. We are still fighting some gusty winds today, more out of the west behind the dry line in the hill country. It's more of a south to southwest wind, I-35 and eastern communities. But everybody fighting wind gusts between about 20 to 30 miles per hour. Still on the breezy side this evening. Cold front comes through tomorrow, still keeping wind gusts elevated, 15 to 25 miles per hour, but tomorrow's wind out of the north, and it's going to be with us for most of our Thursday. So gusty winds and dry air, a bad combination for, unfortunately, fire growth to expand rapidly if a wildfire is to spark. And that's the big if here. We've got moderate to high fire danger today and tomorrow, so please be very mindful of what you're doing. This week alone, the last 4 days, we've had 6 wildfires ignite here in central Texas. So we are very vulnerable. So when can we get some relief? Well, I'm thinking maybe Tuesday into Wednesday. Low pressure system gets finally close enough to allow some rainfall opportunities here in central Texas, but it doesn't come until next week. So we got to wait a little while. We have to be cautious of what we're doing outside. Those gusty winds, dry air, and highs in the upper 80s. Cold front comes through. We're talking low to mid 80s. Late week into the weekend, we start March with highs in the 80s. 10% chance of rain right now. Overnight lows well above freezing in the 50s and 60s. Erica?
All right, thank you.